This camera is a monster. Well, success. I have gotten up. I have gotten out. I have pre-tripped the truck. The truck doesn't know what its MPG is, but I'm sure it's 621 still. It is 47 degrees. There's all the information you'd ever need. And I have started logging the PTI. Yeah, 3 minutes. It is 1:45 in the friggin' morning. I'm gonna need a couple of these monsters, I think. Yeah. Can't see anything, it's not bright enough. Go figure. I'll grab one of them. I'm gonna grab Sunkissed. Why not? Why not? A Sunkissed. And a couple Gat Raids. Yeah, that sounds good to me. And a couple waters. There's. Alright. Do-do-do-do-do-do. As for everything back here, I think we're good. Alright, now we get up front. Okay, what do I need to do? That's a good question. Alright, I have cookies. They're awesome. Good cookies. Oh, I wanted to mention, I mounted this guy up back here, but I haven't done anything with him yet. I'm not sure when I will. That blue flashy light thing. That basically allows me to come up here and turn on my Wi-Fi. And if anyone wants to tell me who this is that I keep missing a call from, because basically I'm tired of them calling. 801-899-4160. I'm about ready to. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna block that freaking number. But we'll come back to that. Anyway, I come up in here, GoPro. Because I have that cool little GoPro app. I think I mentioned all this before. But I can turn it on remotely and everything. And yeah, isn't that neat? And right now I've got it to where it can basically see everything in the front of this truck, including me. Hi. Bit of a delay there. Yeah, so that is something I intend to work with here pretty soon. I don't know. We'll see if I can do a drive video. I won't be controlling it while I'm driving, of course. I'll stop somewhere, like do a load check and turn it on then. But yeah, so we're gonna take off here in about a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and warm up the truck right now. Poor that thing. God, it ticks me off sometimes. Light them up. Yep, everything's flashing. Everything looks good. And we'll go. I have made it to my consignee. And you're being annoying. I still have 1 hour and 9 minutes left to drive. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. Heck yes. So basically, I'm not sure if I'm going to get unloaded today or not, because my unload appointment is still set for 11:30 tomorrow morning. I went in there and checked in, and he said they might get to me sometime today. He'll give me a call. I gave him my phone number, so I'm just gonna sit out here until the such time I am called to come back. But I gotta say something about this. This is probably one of the better tarp jobs I've ever done over a load of bars. I like it. It's good. It doesn't look like trash. Looks halfway decent, actually. Even back here. The nice thing is I didn't have to use a padding tarp. Really? I didn't have to. You think I'm serious? I didn't have to use a padding tarp because the bars are a little tapered on the end, so they're not just straight edges. Now it's windy. But yeah, so I didn't have to use a padding tarp at all for it because the bars were tapered. I might be able to get a picture or a video or something of them before they're unloaded so you can see what I had, but yeah, whatever. Whatever. As for right now, I'm just watching the geese while they're just hanging out. Sup? I fly positioning. Can't focus where the fuck, but I can fly. Now let's see what our Yiddish gas mileage is. I have to pee.
No active driver.
what that's all about. Or that. Ah, we dropped to 620. Ah! Oh well.
Attention, a new important message has arrived.
They're coming to see me. Well, sort of. There's 4 of them. Just walking across the parking lot like they own the place. Their motto here ought to be, "We make noise just for the fuck of it." This should say ear protection and hard hats, not eye protection. Holy hell. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's what I was hauling. 11 bundles of that. There's 1, 2, 3. There's another 2 up there. Yep, that's what it was. So let's see. 7, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 times 11. You do the math, I ain't in the mood. But this machine he's unloading me with is freaking awesome. It's like a freaking crane forklift. Pretty freaking cool looking. You sure ain't gentle with it, that's for sure. I'm so redundant. What are you doing? Everything twists all different directions. Check, yeah. Because that thing will go in between all these racks in here too. Pretty awesome, I thought. Anyway, we're still within our 14-hour cushion, so I still have an hour and 9 minutes left to drive. We'll see if I can get another load today within that hour and 9 minutes. And after that, it doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah, after that, it really doesn't matter. So, we're gonna finish up here.